Hello students, it's Miss Geldine again. Some of you have asked that I've explained to you solving systems using graphing. So I'm going to go ahead and explain how to solve systems using the graphing technique. So let's go ahead and start with our equations. So our equations would be x plus y equals 2 and and 2x plus y equals 3. So what are we going to do with these? What we can do is we have two options. We can either change them into slope-intercept form and graph them there, or we can use a t-table. So I'm going to go ahead and change it into slope-intercept form, and then from there we can graph it. So I'm going to start with this one. X plus y equals 2. We would subtract x and subtract x from both sides, which would leave us with y equals negative x plus 2. We then graph a 2 on our line. So we go up 2. So 2 is here, okay? And then we would put our slope in here, okay? So our slope would be m equals negative 1 over 1. And then we would follow from there to go from 2, we would go down one line, down one here, so minus 1, okay? And over to the right one, plus 1. And then we would put a dot. We now have 2 dots. You continue that process. You see the pattern. And we draw our line from there. Okay, close enough. Okay, so our second part would be to address our second line. So our second line is 2x plus y equals 3. So we're going to change that into slope-intercept form. Subtract 2x here, subtract 2x here. Draw your line. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. Again, we start here. This is our y-intercept. Let's use a different color. Okay, so I'm going to circle this in blue so you could see it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and we put a dot on 3. And we have a slope of negative 2 over 1. So we're going to go 2 down, 1, 2, and 1 to the right. 2 down and 1 to the right. 2 down and 1 to the right. And if we follow this, our next dot will be here, and then the next dot will be here. So you can kind of see the pattern that occurs. And our point of intersection is here at 1, 1. So that's our point of intersection at 1, 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll see you in class.